friends, today my topic is about penguins. Penguins live in cold places like Antarctica. They cannot fly, but they can swim great. Penguins eat fish and other sea animals. They have black and white feathers so they can keep them warm. Baby penguins are called chicks and they are fluffy and soft. Penguins waddle while walking. It is funny because they walk like this. Penguins slide on their tummies on the ice. Penguins live in big groups to stay safe and warm. If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up and click that button and comment below. And I hope you like this channel.